In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unvoid a check in QuickBooks Online. If you've accidentally voided a check, or you need to restore the original amount so your records stay accurate. QuickBooks Online gives you a couple of simple ways to handle it. The important thing to understand is that when a check is voided, QuickBooks changes its value to 0. So unvoiding it usually means going back to that transaction and either re-entering the amount or creating a new copy of the check with the correct details. To get started, go to the check you want to unvoid. If you're not already looking at it, a quick way to find it is by using the navigation menu on the left side. Click Expenses, then go to Vendors. From there, look for the vendor you originally sent the check to and select that vendor to open their transaction history. This makes it much easier to locate the specific check you need, especially if there are multiple transactions in your account. Once you open the check, you'll notice that a voided check has been reduced to a value of 0. Since voiding doesn't completely erase the transaction, but instead zeroes it out, you can restore it by entering the correct value back into the check. After you've typed in the proper amount, click Save. This updates the transaction and effectively unvoids it, so the check reflects the original value again. If you'd rather not edit the voided check directly, there's another option. At the bottom of the check window, click More, then select Copy. This creates a new version of the check that you can review and enter with the correct amount. This approach can be helpful if you want to preserve the voided transaction as is for reference, while still creating an accurate replacement. As you do this, take a moment to double-check the amount before saving, since the goal is to make sure your books reflect the correct payment. Whether you restore the value on the original check or create a copied version with the right amount, both methods can help you correct the issue quickly. That's all there is to it. Once you know where to find the original check and understand that voiding simply changes the amount to 0, unvoiding it becomes a straightforward process in QuickBooks Online.